holster, no? So if you're going to run a pistol, it's better to have a very good holster, no? So, bakit? Kasi sometimes I'm not digging down, no? Hindi ko naman dinadown yung mga mumurahing holster. But mas mahal yung gamit natin sa airsoft, rather
It's an investment. So
yes.
imagine you're buying a gun or your airsoft replica, and then you're just running around, and then all of a sudden nahulog mo.
Nalaglag yung mag, nawala.
Walang magandang retention yung holster mo. So it's better to purchase a holster that you can rely on. Kasi nga, it's an investment. Rather than, ending up making repairs or buying a new pistol kasi nahulog.
Nawala.
So
may mga ganun sa site, no?
Yan may iwasan na may mawala, may mahulog. It happens. Pero if you